Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find your emergency contacts in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. When we go to Settings, Safety and Emergency, we have here Emergency Contacts. If we go here, as you can see, we have two contacts added. What does it do? Emergency contacts are people you trust to help you in your emergency. They will be contacted if you start emergency sharing, so you can show them where you are, etc. We can add another number if we want, for example, here. And as you can see, it's very easy to do. It's in this little quick menu. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.